All right, I'm going to continue here. This is the Citroen DS. And I'm also going to be selling this too. This was interesting. I found this. I found another God Red. So I'm going to put that online as well. And then we have a couple of loose cars in here. We have this Sun Lover Cruises, and then we have this Chevy. Now this is the first bag down. Second bag, we have this figure. I'm not sure who she is. Can somebody tell me who this is? When I do the individual review of this, I'll have somebody try to see if somebody can tell me who this is. Then we have this Jetman. This was really interesting that I found this. I found a Jetman bike figure. This is very rare. As you can tell, it's from Japan. It's a Japanese, it's a Jetman figure. This was really shocking to find this. The Ape and the Red Ranger. The Black Ranger and his frog. These are the McDonald's versions. Found those. The horse box. I think there's something in here. There is. The horses are still in here. It's pretty cool. Kidco. Corvette. This little sand dozer kind of thing. Formula truck. Formula 1 racer. This Corvette Stingray from Lucky Charms. One of the last General Mills cars I needed. The Street Sweeper. And the Hellraiser from Lesney. Now I'm going to get to the last bag here, and then I'm going to do splatter in an individual video. We have the ambulance. This is, and you guys are going to be happy for some of this stuff in here. Mercedes ML 430 from Rugrats. Ertl James. Really not in bad shape. It's a really good replacement for the James I had previously. I'm going to keep this one for my collection. I'm definitely going to do an individual review on this James. For sure, it's going to be added to my Ertl YouTube channel videos. The sticker's a little bit loose on the back, but that's all right. I could tape that up probably. Probably scotch tape that. Let's see if I can fix it. All right. So James is here. And we have Toby, the tram engine. He's not in bad shape. He's suitable. I think this Toby is suitable for my collection. Don't think he's in bad enough shape for there to be any problems. GT Racer, number 168. Then we had some interesting stuff in here. The Dog Fighter. Don't know where that's from. I gotta look that up. The Ford Transit. The Blue Battle Bike. This London Bus. Micro Machines Jeep. A White Ranger minifigure from the Micro Morphing playset. Then we have the Firebird and the Bear, also from that set. The Space Ranger in black and Alpha 5. Little minifigs. Then we have this Corvette from Maisto, and we have a Mustang. I think this is a construction Mustang, actually. It's like a hard hat version. It's pretty cool. And now I'm going to do an individual view on this. So I'm going to do a separate video on this. Thank you, guys.